Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 69 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from our good old mates over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link. There's a clickable version below in the description. And that'll take you to their website. You too can be building this along with me. Have a quick shufty through the magazine. Magazine is with every issue you get, folks. Give them a read. There's some interesting bits of info in these. This is the anniversary edition, where Ford do have a habit of releasing anniversary editions of their cars, especially their more iconic brands. This is in a Cockers special. Lee LaCoca even, the man who had fought for the launch of the Mustang, when a vice president at Ford celebrates the 45th anniversary of the car with one of the 45 hand-built vehicles he helped design. Very clean looking, isn't it? Today we're going to be building the left rear interior panel. This is the pieces that we've got today. So we can start now building the side sections of the rear compartment, which is nice. We're going to need all the interior we've been building up recently to put this in place. We then got little buttons and trim panels to go in there and pieces. So we can then screw that on the side, and this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Half of the rear tub, so to speak. Next up, we've got the 2011 Ford Fiesta WRC, new generation. And these are, honestly, to see how these are put together is fascinating. Really is. It's a bit like American NASCARs, watching them being built. It's a craft, let's be honest. And when you see them close up racing past you, these guys, unbelievable skill they've got behind the wheel. I would say the rally drivers are some of the most talented drivers out there, to be honest with you. Yeah. Unbelievable what they do. And again, the cars as well, with all the liveries, are really stunning looking. Yeah, give these a read, folks. You can find out a hell of a lot, probably about areas of motor racing, motorsport, that you might not necessarily know about. So give them a read, folks. They really are worth it. Right, let's have a quick look at what we've got. So this is one of the interior pieces that we're going to be using and fit into one side. So we got that. We got this little section here with a little locking pin. That's where the rear seat back will lock in. And then obviously this little trim piece as well. So we're going to be popping these together, and they're going to go in with PS05 screws, folks. Okay, let's get the first piece in. Let's grab a PS05 and a bit of oil. And we can get these fitted. Just like that. Spin that around so that you can see what I'm doing. And then we can screw that in situ. Just like that. Okay. Do the same on this piece. So I'm going to grab me screw, oil it up now, so that I can literally pick it straight up. This has got a Woodruff key on it. You can see it there. And you've got a corresponding keyhole shape there. You want to pop that in. Put your finger on the edge to hold it in situ. And then again, another PS05 screw to retain it. Just like that. So that's that. Looking rather rosy. We want to bring in our interior section that we've been working on. And we're going to be fitting it on this side here. So I want to try and orientate it so you can see what I'm doing. So you've got these three are going on these corresponding hats across there. So I'll grab me screws and everything and get them ready And then we can just pop them in place then. And you'll basically shoehorn in the plastic around the sides and then pinging these in place, okay? So it's a little bit tight at first to get them in, but they will go like that. And once you get one in, they'll all start popping in place. Right, so I'm going to go with the PS17, I think. Get that in place first, right down the front edge there. Just to hold that tab in. That'll stop that popping out. Then we can grab then the rest of the PS05 because these are nice easy screws to get in. Bing. You can go there, so I'm going to go with that. There you go. Now we can go for the one towards the front. And that will leave this one. Just like so. Perfect. And that now gives us this shape. Look at that. Oh yeah. So that's what we've got at the end of this issue, folks. We've got the whole side panel on just behind the rear seats there, looking rather nice, isn't it now? So folks, don't forget, you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me. Follow this link. That will take you to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable version in the description, and you too can be building this along with me. In the meantime, to help me out, just click a little faster and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be immensely grateful. And to get notified of future content, just click the bell, select all, and you'll get notified of all the video Partwork builds and all my scale model builds to get uploaded. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.